Welcome to Ericious Informed, a channel that was created for people who feel like they were destined for greatness. So Ericious Informed is here to help you through your journey until you reach your desired destination. We do not promise instant gratification or overnight success, but we will provide you with all the necessary tools and resources you need to navigate your way through life. We want you to enjoy being human, live a good and happy life, and enjoy what makes you feel alive. Our goal is to help you get the best value out of your time you spend watching videos on this channel. We do this by not only providing you with an in-depth and well-explained information on any given topic, but also by showing you how to put that knowledge into practice. We provide content that will help you get rich in the long term and stay healthy in the short term. There are so many different aspects of life that you need to focus on. We want to make your life easier by taking care of all the things you don't want to worry about. This YouTube channel is a collection of videos that are focused on helping you earn more money, improve your health, your relationships, and your well-being. The channel's topics will range from financial literacy to fitness, wealth management, and everything in between. At Ericious Informed, you will get informed on the latest trends and success in order to inspire you to continue working hard until you are also successful. You will learn about the best and most effective ways of achieving success from other people who have been successful in their lives. This channel is all about understanding the building blocks you need to put together to get rich and enjoy the lifestyle of your dreams. Since our motto is building the next generation of builders, the big question can be, what type of builders are we trying to build? Number 1, builders of great wealth and great empires. Wealth is not just about money or physical assets. It is about having the experiences, freedom, and autonomy to pursue what one loves in life and to live accordingly. Wealth is not a destination, but a journey. We are here to help and guide you on that journey. Since finances are going to be part of your life up until you die, we don't want you to go through life without the knowledge of how you must create and manage them. That is why you must be part of this movement in order to equip yourself with the exact knowledge of how you must create and manage them. We are determined to create a community of people who understand and apply the principles of wealth creation that will be taught on this channel. People who are willing to get financial literacy and apply it in order to improve their lives. Number 2, builders of great mindsets. These are men and women who read great books, listen to podcasts, and watch productive videos. People who research on important areas of life in order to build a great mindset in those areas. So we are going to be summarizing and recommending great books here on this channel for you so that you develop a great mindset. Number 3, builders of strong and long-lasting relationships. Our lives are surrounded by relationships. These include family relationships, relationships with friends, relationships with co-workers, and finally romantic relationships. So we want to build a group of people who have healthy relationships all around them. So subscribe to this channel and learn the simple things that you need to master in order to build healthy relationships all around you. Number 4, builders of great health and nice looking bodies. These are people who have the determination to take care of their health by following everything related to health and fitness that is going to be taught on this channel. These are men and women who are willing to look after themselves as far as health and fitness are concerned. So Ericious Informed is just going to provide you with an easy to follow guide of the diets you need to follow and what you need to do to take care of your health without having to crack your head over it. There is a lot of different and contradicting information out there concerning the topics we just mentioned. Most of that information don't even apply to you, or sometimes it doesn't even produce the results you're looking for. That's why this channel was created. You no longer have to jump from one video to another in order to fully understand what you need to do for you to acquire success in important areas of life, because this platform was created just to help you get the well-researched and proven techniques, tips, and strategies all in one place. Once you grasp the concepts being taught on this channel, put it into practice and also pass it on to your loved ones and your children in order to build a next generation of people with good habits on the things that matter in life. As the Ericious Informed Group, we are going to create content with regard to everything we just mentioned earlier. We will also provide high quality content on a regular basis so that you can find the right information at the right time. We will make sure that all the content is accessible and ready for you to use. You deserve to feel alive again. You deserve to buy things without having to worry about the prices. You deserve to be healthy and you deserve to be loved. That's why you must subscribe to this channel. And by subscribing to this channel, you have joined a community of people who are determined to improve their lives. And by liking this video, you are encouraging and supporting us to keep working towards the improvement of your life. Thanks for watching.